Guys, I'm starting this vlog. It's 12 a.m. I suddenly feel like vlogging. It's 12:24 to be precise. I wouldn't have even slept if my phone wasn't on 7%. Now I'm going to sleep. I don't have the energy to get up and put the phone on charge.
The next day.
I am doing a voiceover because my bloody freaking brain forgot to hit record on my phone. So here you go. I'm using this perfume today that's spraying it everywhere and on my eye too, because why not? Why not spraying it in my eye too? Then I'm going to use my moisturizer. It's a very big bottle and using it very gently on my face. And I'm using the Biore sunscreen. I don't know how to pronounce it. Biore, I don't know. But I used it and I don't know what was I looking for. Guys, I think my voiceover personality is so different than the video personality I show, because this is our speaker, and in that video, oh my god, shit, I spoke exactly like that. After that, I'm gonna go with some eyelash curling because I have zero eyelashes. It looks like I'm tearing my eyelashes, but no, it doesn't tear my eyelashes. It's the cheapest eyelash curler I've got on Amazon. This is a glow palm. I'm gonna show you if it's pretty. I feel like eating it. I cannot find my hair. Dry my face. It dries like a fix. That's what I do after shower, and that's it. मैं इंग्लिश से कब हिंदी में स्विच हो गई पता ही नहीं चला.
अभी ये हिंदी अगले कब मिक्स होने वाला है.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
नम्रता हैज अ YouTube चैनल, so subscribe to her. नम्रता अपना YouTube चैनल बोल कैसा है.
बहुत सेक्सी है. जरूर सब्सक्राइब.
मैंने तो नहीं किया.
सुन ले बहन, सुन ले. हमें रात को लोग पाते हैं.
ठीक है. ठीक है. What the hell? अरे, why don't you give me? 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 Okay, bye. See, when I cry, oh my god, what the hell? This is not nice. Might. I will try to act like I'm crying and then see if he gives me the ball or not. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really short, but we are on a run to hit 1000 subscribers. Can we subscribe to my channel? Subscribe or no. Subscribe to my channel, please. That was so fake.